Welcome to the TheForge tutorials Maya Masterclass. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create planar surfaces inside Maya. Now, in order to create a planar surface, first need to create a curve. Now, the curve needs to be flat and closed. So we're going to go into the top view and create a EP curve. And I'm going to create an abstract shape, kind of like a ghost from Pac-Man. And now we need to close this curve. So I'm going to select this curve, go to our curves menu and select open and close. That's going to close our curve. And we're going to go back into our perspective view. And now that we have our curve and it is flat on our grid, we're going to go into our surface menu and select planar action from here. Now, as soon as we click on our planar action, we have our curve available to us, and I'm going to move that up. And I'm going to turn the two-sided lighting on so we can see it better. And just like with the revolve and loft command, you can select your curve and edit it to edit the shape above. And any changes that you make in your curve will apply to your shape above. Now, as I said, you cannot move this curve up and down in 3D space. That will break the connection and your surface will be gone. So let's undo this. And again, if I open this curve, the connection will break also. Now there's another thing that is different with our planar surfaces. If I click on our object right here and go into the control vertices, you can see that it is a rectangular patch. For a better reference, let's go into our hull mode. Now in our hull mode, you can easily understand it is a plane, and you can imagine our curve as a cutting tool. So when you use the planar action, Maya essentially creates a plane and then takes your curve that you created and uses it as a cutting tool to create the shape that you want. And you can select the shape and go to your vertices and edit that shape, and you can edit that plane to create the shape that you want. But remember, your curve needs to be flat. You cannot move it up and down because that will break the connection. So this is how you can use the planar action to create a lot of different cutout shapes. And I'm going to keep this one short and end this video right here. I hope you know a little bit more about Nurbs and how to use the planar action. And as always, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, drop a comment. And if you want to support me directly, the link to my merch store and my Patreon is in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next video.